Hey there, Shawn Hart here. Now you've probably been getting a lot of emails from me lately about ClickFunnels, right? Well, actually there's a good reason for that. You see, since I began this quest to take a large percentage of my physical products business off of Amazon in order to have more control over my customers and my future, the very importance of a good sales funnel became crystal clear to me. I began sending small amounts of traffic to my sales pages from Facebook ads and some other sources instead of to my Amazon products listings, and the results were outstanding. You know how Amazon always shows these frequently bought together products on our listings in an effort to increase the order value for themselves? Well, one of the most important features of using a sales funnel is the fact that you can hold your customer's hand and walk them down a strategic buying path that you designed in order to significantly increase your average cart value. What else? Well, the elephant in the room is control. This customer becomes your customer, not Amazon's customer, and 100% of all future marketing sent to this customer has the sole purpose of selling your products and putting profits in your pocket. I've taken free plus shipping product offers and created a sales funnel that literally increased my average order value to nearly $300 per order. Now, you can see exactly how I did this using a sales funnel in a brand new members area that I created just for this purpose. I also show you a funnel that took a $3.50 dropship product from China that I sell for $19.95 and increased my average cart value to $55 in just one single day. I wish you would take a couple of days and check it all out using the button below the video, because I'm absolutely certain that once you see what I've done, you'll also be a believer. And the best part, you can copy my exact process step by step, or even import the funnel I created into your ClickFunnels account. And even after you've gone through all the materials, if you're not as excited as I am about, just let me know and I'll send you 100% of your money back. Check it out today. You'll sure be glad you did. Take care.